In today's video, it's all about summer blues and whites. I'm going to be sharing my April Cornell fashion and tea towels along with a little bit of Victoria magazine inspiration and home decor. Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosenda and I'm excited that you're here. If you're new, welcome. A lot of you are new subscribers and I'm so excited that you are part of the Little Pink Casa community. I love to post videos about feminine 10-item wardrobe, romantic home, vintage homemaking, vintage style. And so if any of those sound great with you, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel now so you never miss a video. So today's video, I'm very excited. I love summer white and blues. Basically, I love decorating with white and blue, and I also love wearing it. But in summer, I specifically save these two colors to decorate in either June or July. In my summer 10-item wardrobe, I shared with you that I would be giving you a little bit more of my additions because there were a few items that I had on order and they had not come in for my video, so I decided that I would add them into an additions video. Well, today you get a sneak peek because I'll be sharing with you one of the dresses that are part of my additions for my 10-item wardrobe. One of the reasons I'm so excited about this is because it is from April Cornell. I've always wanted to order from her, but I have never really done that. And so this summer I decided to go for it. Now, April Cornell is a beautiful designer and she is known for designing many things for Victoria magazine, including a wonderful tea set. That is one thing on my wish list. She is known for her romantic style of clothes and her tea towels, her aprons, and her tablecloths. She has an overall beautiful feminine vintage style, but it also has an antique flair to it also. So when I decided to order, I went on her website and requested a catalog to be sent to my home. And I just love catalogs. I'm like old school. I love looking through catalogs. One of the things that I've always wanted to buy from April Cornell was a dress, and specifically a summer dress. And I have been looking for something that is blue and white. And I found something that was my style. So this dress has everything that I love in a summer dress. It's white with blue florals. It has lace, which I absolutely love, and it also has a ruffle on the bottom. This is also a maxi dress, which I was looking for also because I love to wear long dresses in summer that are cool and crisp and fresh. It also is free and flowing and loose enough so it's forgiving during summer. It's got a romantic feel to it, which I absolutely love. I love romantic and feminine fashion, and especially anything that is vintage or has a flair of the 1800s also. So another thing I ordered from April Cornell are these tea towels that are blue and white. The presentation of them is so pretty. You see this pretty little tag here or holder, I think that's what it is. But I bought two. Now these were on clearance or in the sale section, and so it came with two. And I'm going to use these in my kitchen to decorate my kitchen for July with blue and white and continue with that theme throughout my whole house. But the quality of them is very vintage. They feel like a vintage tea towel. They're very thick and they're very pretty, and I'm really happy with the print. I'm very happy with them, and I really am looking for curtains kind of like this actually, and I haven't been able to find anything like that, and it's so hard to find material or anything like something like this, so I'm still on the lookout for that. One more thing that I get inspired from is Victoria magazine. Victoria magazine is one of my favorite magazines, and you'll see me talk about this over and over and over again. The first time I found Victoria magazine was actually when I was 16 years old in the grocery store, and I was barely getting into all of this romantic and Victorian and all of that love and Parisian from watching the movie Gigi that I had seen on a late night movie. Stayed up one weekend real late. This was something like a breath of fresh air for me to find as a teenager. And ever since then, I've always loved it. Always wanted to subscribe to it. I usually would just pick it up at the store, but this year I subscribed for the very first time in my whole life. And I finally am getting this on a subscription to my home, which is so much better. One thing I wanted to share that's so special in here is the editor-in-chief. She actually wrote here, as the psalmist writes, "Weeping may tarry for the night, but joy comes with the morning." Psalm 35. As you become immersed in this magazine, an impassioned tribute to the splendor of summertime, we at Victoria hope that our time together will be a balm for the spirit. May we all reflect on experiences of the past few months, lift our faces toward the sun, and smile with gratitude as we bask in the radiance of hope. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love that. This is my inspiration. So we have blues and whites. We have accent with the throws and pillows and florals. And then if we look in the dining, which I will be decorating soon, my kitchen or dining table, and sharing that with you in a future homemaking video. And here we have some fashion. So we have the blue and white in purses, jewelry, earrings, scarves, and this pretty little number she has on. Pretty blue, looks like a blue shirt dress, and her wedges. I just love that. Do you love that? The basket purse. Oh, I've been looking for one of those. I just love that look. If you've seen my new romantic bedroom video, you've seen how I talk about how I redecorated my bedroom, and I recently bought a new bedding, which is this white. So I totally love the white bedding because I can change out and switch out through seasons. So I wanted to show you my summer decor, or some of the items that I have that are blue and white. And I don't have everything here, but these are the most of the things that I'm inspired by that I think will be fun to decorate with. So I'll start with this floral. I just recently found this at Michael's. I have one similar to this that are in the pinks, but I wanted something in blues and whites, and I think it looks really pretty. It has like roses and hydrangeas and a mixture of sorts. It's kind of like a little bouquet pick. And then I found this little vase too. It's really pretty. It's got like little shabby chic look and feel to it. So that was also at Michael's. These are all on sale right now if you go look at Michael's, because all the summer things are on sale right now. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to find it. Maybe online you'll have a better selection. And then I already had this pretty, I guess it's like could be a vase. It's more like a urn or some type of pot. You know, I could put flowers in it and use it as a vase, or I can just have it on display somewhere. So I have this beautiful blue and white, and then this pretty blue and white oriental tassel. This is also porcelain. I just love showing you my inspirational pieces, that this inspires me. And then also I have my tea towels and little glimpses of blue here and there. I also will have my tablecloths and things like that, but I will share that in another video with my vintage homemaking. I hope you enjoyed my video today and it gave you some inspiration. If you also love decorating or wearing blue and white during the summer, or anytime actually, let me know in the comments below. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and more. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.